Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm taking a look at the New Zealand US dollar pair to show you how our indicators work. Let's have a look at this on the daily chart down the bottom right here. I'll open that up. This is our currency strength indicator. So what I've done is I've isolated the New Zealand and the US dollar. So the US dollar is the red, and what this is telling me here is that the US dollar is the stronger of the two currencies. It has been losing strength, however the USD has leveled out here. The New Zealand, the Kiwis gain strength, is now dropping off. This is the daily. So definitely strength in the dollar, weakness in the Kiwi, you can see right here. So what you want to do is buy into strength, sell into weakness. So this to me would be a short. So I'm looking for a sell opportunity. Come out of this, have a look at the same thing on the 4-hour chart here. Currency strength, so we've got New Zealand dropping off, and you can see the trajectory from way back, whereas the US dollar's kind of holding steady. What I'm interested in is the trajectory. That's the Kiwi, and then the US dollar is holding steady in this case. So there's two things there that are telling me that the New Zealand or the Kiwi dollar could be a short. Now if we go back over here, we've got this indicator. This is our multi-time frame. This is telling me that on the weekly, daily, 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour, it's red across the board. On all time frames, this is in a downward trend. So what I'm going to be looking for is an opportunity to sell. We've got this pullback. It's trading into, we can see our shaded zone here. That's my volume profile and my version of it. It's trading into a daily level. It's trading into this volume, traded volume. We can see if we go back through this level here, it's pulling this across and giving it to us in a shade of grey. So we want to trade away from resistance into a price gap. So let's just have a look at this on the 4-hour as far as a price gap is concerned. Well, I mean, yeah, it's only pulling data from here. We can see that on the higher time frame we do have a price gap under on the daily. Okay, so we can see just the shade. I can bump up this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If we go here, this is my accumulation distribution levels. Okay, so we've got resistance. You can see the shade of grey here is stronger. Okay, so potentially going to be trading down through a gap here on the daily. So my bias is to the downside given the information we've got from the indicators. By the way, click on the link below the video. There's a 7-day free trial. You can access the indicators and try them out for a week. You might be surprised at the results. So what I'm going to be looking for, given that bias as far as I'm concerned is to the downside, is I'm going to go for the lower time frame now, the 1 minute. We'll open this up and I'm looking for, this is a pullback here on a higher time frame. If we scrunch that up, there's the pullback. Let me just show you something. So higher time frame, you can see a triangle here, a triangle here. You don't see any other triangles. Right, that's our first bearish break. We ignore the green breaks, we take the bearish breaks. And so what this gives us is when the market trades as it would, you see your impulse move and then the retrace, the impulsive move retrace. Now we're looking for the rotation. So how do we know when to get in? Well, you know what we can do is, I'm interested in this pair. I like the setup. I want to go for the rotation. And what this does is this gives you not just the first breakout, but the second breakout. And it's whatever time frame you're on, it's break-in market structure here. And then it trades up. So that's what this does. So what I'm looking for is on the pullback, I want the rotation. I want the trade out of here. So, I mean, this could even work its way further up. How do you know when to get in? Well, at some stage, this will rotate. It'll break, retest again. That's going to be the break of market structure on this time frame when we crack that, and I want that signal. So I'm definitely interested in this. So what I'm going to do is set an alert on the 1 minute, and it's going to be once per bar I want a breakout, create. I'm happy with that, but I want to do this on the 3 minute as well. So the 1 minute will give us a lot of breakouts. The 3 minutes will give us less. Have a look back here and I'll show you something. Look where the 3 minute fires up here. And look at that. So you don't see this red triangle anywhere else. Right at the top here, but it's a little bit delayed. See, the 1 minute would probably get us in further back, whereas the 3 minute gets us in and then we take that. In any case, I want the alert on both the 1 minute and the 3 minute, and I'll be interested in this for a short. I'm good with that. I like the setup. Then I'll just sit back and wait for the alerts to come into my alerts log. Look at them all. Alright guys, so that's the New Zealand dollar, Kiwi US dollar. I'm looking for a short. Gain access to the indicators. Click on the link below, and yeah, have a good day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.